Hello everyone, I am Sadashwarao and welcome to Sada Learning Hub. Today's session we are going to learn the most important Java interview questions. The first one is what about daemon threads? A daemon thread are basically the low priority threads that provides the background support to the user threads. It provides a services to the user threads. A daemon thread do not prevent the JVM from exiting. When all the user threads finish their execution, JVM terminates itself when all user threads finish their execution. JVM does not care whether daemon threads is running or not. If a JVM finds running the daemon threads, it terminates the threads and after that shutdown itself. The next question is what is the shutdown hook? The shutdown hook is basically a thread that is invoked implicitly before JVM shutdown. So we can use it to perform cleanup resources. The shutdown hook is the shutdown hook is basically a thread. It invokes implicitly before JVM shutdown. So we can use it to perform the cleanup resources. The next question is when should we interrupt a thread? We should interrupt a thread if we want to break out the sleep or wait state of the thread. We interrupt a thread if you want to sleep or wait state of the thread. The next question is what is the synchronization? Synchronization is the capability of controlling the access of multiple threads to any shared resources. It is used to prevent the thread interference and it to prevent the consistency problems. This synchronization is the capability of control to access the multiple threads to any shared resources. It is used to prevent the threads interference and to prevent the consistency problems. The next question is what is the purpose of synchronized blocks? The synchronized blocks is used to look an object from any shared resources. Scope of the synchronized blocks is smaller than the methods. The synchronized block is used to lock an object for any shared resources. Scope of a synchronized blocks is similar than the methods. The next question is can Java objects be locked down for exclusive use of a given threads? Yes, you can lock an object by putting it in the synchronized block. The locked object is inaccessible to any thread other than the one of the explicitly claimed it. A Java object be locked down for exclusive use of a given thread. You can lock an object by putting it in the synchronized block. The locked object is inaccessible to any thread other than the one that explicitly claimed it. The next question is what is the difference between notify and notify all? The notify is used to unblock one wait thread, whereas notify all method is used to unblock all the threads or waiting state. The notify only one thread will be notified randomly and gets the lock of the object. The notify all the threads which are waiting for this object lock are notified. All the notified threads will get the object lock on a priority basis. The next question is what is the deadlock? Deadlock is the situation when the two threads are waiting on the each other to release the resource. Each thread waiting for the resource which is held by the other waiting thread. That is called deadlock. Deadlock situation which two threads are waiting on each other to release the resources. Each thread waiting for the resource which is held by the other waiting threads. The next question is What is the difference between process and threads? A process is an execution of a program. A process is the execution of the program, while a thread is a single execution sequence within the process. A process can contain multiple threads. A thread is sometimes called lightweight process. A process is an execution of the program, while a thread is a single execution sequence within a process. A process can contain multiple threads. A thread is sometimes called lightweight process. The next question is, explain different ways of creating a thread. Which one would you prefer and why? There are the three ways that can be used in order for a thread to be created. A class may extend from class, thread class. There is a three ways to create a thread. The first one is a class may extend the thread class, and the second one is a class may implement runnable interface, and the third one is an application can use the executor framework in order to create a thread pool. A runnable interface is preferred as it does not require an object to inherit the thread class. In case of your application design requires multiple inheritance, only interfaces can be help you. Also, the thread pool is very efficient and can be implemented and used very easily. There are the three ways to creating a thread. First one is extending the thread, and second one is implementing the runnable interface, and third one is creating a thread pool. In those three, the implementing the runnable interface is preferred. Why? Because if you want to use the multiple inheritance, runnable interface is very useful to implement the multiple inheritance in our application.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.